Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentages to decimals, worksheets. So this video has a few worksheets, excuse me, and we're going to have some practice at changing percentages to decimals. Now there is a lesson on this, so if you're not sure what to do, when you get to the end of this video, there is a link on the last slide. Just click on the link and that will take you to the lesson. So let's quickly have a look at what we do. First example is 39%. So let's write down the 39. So that is a percentage. I'll just leave the percentage sign out. Now, whenever you have a whole number like this, the decimal is to the right. It is at the end or to the right of the last digit. So that's where it is. The rule says that you move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So when you do that, that changes that percentage to a decimal. So the answer will be 0.39. Of course, all we've done, we've moved the decimal point from here 2 places to the left, and that's the answer. And you put the 0 down for neatness. Let's have a look at this one, which is a little bit different. So 8%, there's our 8. Decimal point is here. Move it 2 places. So we have to put a 0 here, because that's the only way we can move it 2 places. And there is our decimal point there. So the answer will be 0.08. So that's all the rule is. It's very straightforward. Whenever you're given a percentage, work out where the decimal point is, move it 2 places to the left, and that becomes a decimal. Now here we've got percentages which are greater than 100. Well, that doesn't matter. So let's look at this one here, 307%. So 307%. There's the decimal point there. 1, 2. So it becomes there. So the answer is 3.07. Very, very straightforward rule. Let's go to the next slide. So here we have a very similar situation. We've just got some very large numbers here, but the rules are exactly the same. Let's take this tricky looking one here. That's quite large, isn't it? That's a massive percentage. So 99060. So we have 9, 9, 0, 6, 0. The decimal point is there. Move it 1, 2. 2 places to the left. So there it is there. So the actual answer is 9, 9, 0.6. You don't have to have that 0 there. So that's the answer. Because all we did, we focused on the decimal point and we moved it 2 places to the left. It's the same for this one here, for example. All those where you see decimal points, they're easy, aren't they? Because you know where the decimal point is. Just move it 2 places to the left, and then that becomes a decimal. You don't need the actual percentage sign. Because once you move the decimal point 2 places to the left, you can dispense with the percentage sign because you have changed that percentage to a decimal. Now, this video has given us a few slides where we've been able to practice changing a percentage to a decimal, and as I said earlier, on the next slide there is a link to the lesson. If you're still not sure what to do, or you didn't see the original lesson, there's a link on the next slide and it will take you to the lesson.